Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to continue with our topic Austriacisms. In this video, we focus on some specific words for specific people in Austrian German. After the video, you know words such as Adabei, Gschaftlhuber, Schnorrer, and so on. At the end of the video, we cover one word which is a bit dangerous, but please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know important Austrian words for specific people. For a short repetition, we can say that Austriacisms are words and expressions that are mainly used in Austrian German. Let's start with the first word, namely Adabei. Adabei. An Adabei is a person who is always present but not directly involved. So at a party, he's not the main person of the party, but he joins every party. We might translate it as wannabe. Adabei. Our second word is Scherzkeks. Scherzkeks. Any idea what Scherzkeks could mean? The one-to-one translation would be something like joke, biscuit or cookie. Scherzkeks may be translated as jokester. A person who is always making jokes, sometimes annoyingly. Scherzkeks. Number 3 on our list is Blitzgneisser. Blitzgneisser. Blitzgneisser means quick thinker. Think like a flash would be the one-to-one translation. It's a person who understands things very quickly. Blitzgneisser. The fourth Austriacism is Haberer. Haberer, it's especially used in Vienna. We can translate it as buddy, Haberer. So it's an informal term for a friend or Paul, often used among men. And it's rather informal, as I said, Haberer. The next word on our list is Gschaftlhuber. Gschaftlhuber. Any wild guess? Gschaftlhuber means busybody. Someone who is always meddling in other people's businesses. Gschaftlhuber. Number 6 on our list is Schlawiner. Schlawiner. We can say that the Schlawiner is a cunning person. A clever but somewhat tricky or deceitful person. Schlawiner. The next word I'd like to show you is called Schnorrer. Schnorrer. Schnorrer is another word for moocher. Someone who always asks for favors or tries to get things for free. A typical Austrian phrase would be a cheek schnurren. Another typical Austrian word is Gfrast. Gfrast. This is rather a bad word. Call it brat in English, a mischievous or unruly child or person. But you have to be careful to use it. It's rather used informally. Gfrast. The next word you might be familiar with if you've already watched the other videos about Austriacisms. Do you know what a Grantler is? We've already covered the words grantig and granteln. This case, Grantler means grumbler. Someone who is always complaining or grumpy. Grantler. Another Austrian word is Pfiffikus. Pfiffikus. Sounds a bit strange, but do you have any idea what it means? We might call it a clever one. It's a smart, quick-witted person, often used positively. Pfiffikus. And finally our bonus word, but you have to be a bit careful, so it might be interpreted as a slang word, but sometimes you find it on books, so you often come across it, especially around Vienna. The word is Wappler. Wappler. Any idea what Wappler could mean? We might translate it as bungler in English. Someone who is clumsy or inept, not very competent, or somewhat stupid. All in all, I hope I could give you a little insight into the complex topic of Austriacisms. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about Austrian German. By the way, you can find out more about Austrian words in all of my playlists or podcasts. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.